want to see that badge he was talking about that got taken off. You said it was some oil in the back seat or the trunk? Okay. Oh yeah. Yep, about to take her on home. Give her some lavender and a little lemon. Dirty, but
yeah, but I do all of them. You know the hard one.
come on. Come on. This is gonna be a fun project car. Headlights still look nice. All right, this is gonna be the first wash of the new project. Very, very windy, but it's gonna be the first wash of the new baby. Might even try to get a cold start. Yeah, she's definitely been sitting for a while. See dust and everything. The rain on the way back up, you could tell what it could look like, but we're gonna put Dad's touch on it, and then we're gonna check back. All right, got her looking a lot cleaner. I'll put some stuff in that tire. Some air in that tire, definitely gonna need new tires. Of course, use another jump box. Not too bad though. Give me 1 second. But yeah, man, this is gonna be fun. Getting her back to driving conditions. Not bad. Cleaned out the inside also, which inside was in really good condition, minus the back seats. But just the seats. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the only thing with the inside. Everything else clean. Wipe it all down. Inside the doors, I'm gonna replace those LEDs, those lights all around the inside of the car. Replace those with LEDs. But other than that, man, I think we got something. Well, I know we got something, but you know what I mean? It's gonna be fun. All right, this is her parked back in the spot. Got her pretty clean. The windows definitely cleaned a lot better. I already showed the interior and everything, but I'm doing one last walk around before I get ready to get up out of here. But I don't know, I kind of like the badge there that is not red. I might keep it that way. I'm not sure. Definitely gonna have to replace that because that was stolen from the car. But it's all good. Yeah, this gonna be a cool car. Gotta change the battery. I might do that pretty soon. That might be the next thing. But yeah, that stain though, man, I googled it to figure out, you know, what that is and how could I get it out, and pretty much gonna have to have the windshield replaced. But it's still gonna be cool though. All right, about to get a cold start. Go ahead, Ma. Go. Exactly. Now do that one more time. Take two.
Really?
Take two.
Ready?
Go.
Better?
At least we got it.